vlog. I hope you guys are doing okay. I don't know, it's 4 in the morning. I just got ready. This is just my shirt. This was like the 2016 vibe and style. I don't know if you guys remember, yeah, but I just really love it. Just this simple environmental, my simple silver jewelry, my fanny pack, maroon sweats and slides. Guys, my room looks so empty. It's so crazy because like this time last year, that's when like I moved into my room. If you're an OG subscriber, then you watched that vlog, and it's just crazy that now, like, not like I'm moving out. I left a note for two in her room, so I'm about to go to the airport right now. I can't believe this is happening. Like, I'm just so tired. Like, I feel like I'm dreaming. I really keep you guys updated. It's 5 in the morning. I'm sorry if I don't have energy. I still have an essay to write. Do you guys know? I actually still have an essay to write, but yeah. But I love you guys so much. Thank you for subscribing. If you have not subscribed, what? And you're watching this for free. Shay!
I wanna flex with you, baby. I'm tryna chill with you. Don't build with you. Ain't flexible, baby. Show some different more than I let you grow. 'Cause it's meant to be, baby. Baby, history, baby. And you're the one for me, I'm the one for you. So come flex with me, baby. Wow.
Curtains like waves closing in around us. Dimming the lights just so that they don't blind us. Slow tongue in cheek when we're laying on roses. You're touching my skin and you're leaving me hopeless. I wanna feel you under my body. I wanna feel you on. Top to face, come and climb in my bed. Don't be sad to your day. Top to face, come and climb in my bed. Don't be sad to your day.
Hats, jackets, belts, and shoes need to be removed. Everything gotta go back.
FRC Jackson Atlantic International Airport. We remind you to follow CDC recommendations and maintain proper state standards.
Around us, dimming the lights just so that they don't blind us. So tongue in cheek when we're laying on roses. You're touching my skin and you're leaving me hopeless.
I just landed in Atlanta and I have a connecting flight to Cali. So I'm trying to find my gate right now, and I look crazy because I'm talking to the camera in public. But that's fine because I'm gonna let me make sure I got my gate right. So you guys see the
Don't be sad to your day. Top to face, come and climb in my bed. Don't be sad to your day.
I wanna flex with you, baby. I'm tryna chill with you. Don't build with you. Ain't flex with me, baby. Baby, history, baby. And you're the one for me, I'm the one for you. So come flex with me, baby. Wow.
Curtains like waves closing in around us.
Morning, welcome. Good morning. Your dress is pretty.
oh, thank you.
No roses. You're touching my skin and you're leaving me hopeless.
Be careful when opening overhead bins to avoid injury from items that may have shifted during flight. And this is Land Space Crew. We'd like to thank you.
Just landed in LA and my brother's coming to pick me up. I'm so tired. But like, I'm excited to see him because I haven't seen him in a while. Actually, I haven't seen him in a year. But then like I haven't lived with him in a while. So I'm just really excited, but I'm really tired. So I'll definitely catch you guys up, okay? Love you guys.
Curtains like waves closing in around us. Dimming the lights just so that they don't blind us. So tongue in cheek when we're laying on roses.
I've been standing there for like 10 minutes. I've been standing there for like 10 to 15 minutes. People have been looking at me like I'm homeless.
You look nice. Look, you look clean. You look nice.
Why are you getting so tall?
Where's my
Look at me finish him.